Can you clean your coins, and if yes, with what? Yes, you can clean your coins, but it is highly discouraged. More coins have been ruined than improved by cleaning. And if you still want to clean your coin, one substance that can be used is called easiest. This product is a coin and jewelry dip that works for gold and silver coins, but not copper. You can buy it from Amazon and Walmart, among other distributors. If you use easiest, follow the manufacturer directions precisely. Cleaning coins with warm soapy water is an easy way to remove dirt from a coin, but do not rub the surfaces of that coin because you might add hairlines, which will decrease the value. Again, we strongly caution against cleaning or brightening any coin, since you are more likely to ruin its value than to improve it. Shiny coins are not always more valuable than coins left in their original state. Recommend you leave cleaning, especially on more valuable coins, to the professionals who know exactly how to do it. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.